Kohler genuine parts. I got our new rings. I got a whole rebuild kit, the gaskets and everything too. I don't have it with me at the moment. I got our complete rebuild kit. I'm gonna see what this ring looks like. Let's stick it in the cylinder here. Alright, here's the old rings. You can see the gap. Here's our new ring. I can get it in the cylinder. There we go. No gap whatsoever. That's pretty good right there. And I may even have to shave some off. And next video will probably be a bit together and running. Everybody have a happy new year and take care. Bye.